Good afternoon, students. Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to your class 2 science class. Your chapter safety habits and first aid. This chapter we already started on your previous online class, right? Yes. And that day we discussed, yes Ritushri, good afternoon. Now please open your book at safety habits and first aid, this chapter. Safety habits and first aid. So on your previous online class we discussed about the safety rules while we are traveling in bus and while we are on the road, right? That day we discussed two parts and I made a video yesterday, that's your offline class, and in this video we discussed about safety rules when we are at school, when we are at home and during festival time. So hope you all saw the video and you checked the home and school those rules, and hope you all read this chapter very attentively. Okay. So that about the safety rules on the road while traveling, at school, at home during festivals, that time there are a lot of safety rules and we have to know it, and we already get to know about this, and we have to remember and use those rules to keep ourselves safe and our neighbors, our family, our others people keep to safe. So that's why we always maintain those safety rules, right? So today we will discuss about first aid. Okay, so come back to the point of first aid. So everyone open the page number 58 and we have to discuss about first aid, because we almost got to know about those safety habits which we have to maintain everywhere, right? So now we have to know about the first aid. If there some accident will happen, that time which things we have to do that time. So see your book, when we get hurt we must tell an elderly person at once. So when you get hurt at school, at home, at anywhere, that time you have to tell any of your parents, guardians and any elderly person or teachers also, because they must help you. They must help you, and that's why you have to tell them. So if it is a minor cut or burn, we should immediately wash those area. So first of all, immediately wash the area. Immediately wash that area where you get hurt, your skin cut or burnt. So that time first of all immediately wash it, and the area with the cold water. With cold water. Okay. And the next you have to put medicine on your hurted area. Put medicine or keep the bandage. Keep the bandage on that area. So first of all you have to wash this place with cold water, then put medicine on it and keep the bandage. And the next, we should stay calm and should not shout or be scared. When you get hurt, you will be, don't be scared, don't shout it, don't cry that time. Just so you should keep calm and tell any elderly persons near you. Okay. or our teacher at school, our home, when you are in school, that time tell your teacher, when you are at home tell your parents or guardians or any elderly person, because they always help you, so don't cry that time, don't shout it and don't be scared, just you have to keep calm. Okay, and they give us first aid and take us to a doctor if required. So that's about first aid and go to doctor if required. So that is all about first aid, if required or if needed. If you have the small minor heart, that time don't need to doctor. If you have the big problem, that time we should go to the doctor. So first we have to wash those area with cold water, then put the medicine and keep the bandage. If required, go to the doctor. That's about first aid. Okay, and the previous day which we already discussed about some safety rules, safety habits. Hope you all read those rules and you remember those things. So now we have to start the exercise part of this chapter. So everyone take your copy book with you and you have to answer me of those questions. Okay, now I have to erase it and start the question time. So let's start with question A. Tick the correct answer. Here, open it first and take your copy book to write those answers. So first one is, you know there one statement with 3 options and you have to choose the correct one. So first question is, we cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is. So here, which color? It's red, is it green or is it yellow? No Upasho, write it in your copy book, not in book, not textbook. Write it in your copy book. Very good, Shomagni. Upasho and Saptarshi, your answer is wrong. Because that's about pedestrian light, pedestrian traffic light. And I told you previous day the pedestrian traffic light is only for those people who want to cross the road, that time, not for the vehicles. So when the pedestrian traffic light is on, that time that will be green. So when the green light is on, we can cross the road. So here is your question. So we cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Ritushree, your answer is also wrong. Just listen my words carefully. That pedestrian traffic light is for those people who want to cross the road one side to another side. So when the pedestrian green light is on, that time you can cross the road. Okay? Very good, Shomagni, Reza and Purbayon, you get the correct answer. So the correct answer is green. Okay? Yes. Now go to the question number 2. We should not play with. We should not play with. Here the first option is toys, second option is balls and third is blade. And you know toys and balls are our playing things, but blade is a sharp object and we all know that we should not play with sharp object. Pedestrian green traffic light is only for pupil, not for vehicles, only for pupil. And there are only 2 colors. One is red and another is green. One is red and another is green. And when red, you can see red light on, we can see a man is standing here. Only just stand straight or standing there. Okay. But when the green light is on, you notice that the man is walking, or he or she can cross the road. So that's for only people who want to cross the road. But the traffic signal, there are three colors. We can see that red, yellow and green. So when the red light is on, that means all vehicles have to stop. When the yellow is on, that time those vehicles can go slow or have to wait. And if the green light is on, those vehicles can go now. That's for vehicles and that's for pupil. That's for vehicles and that's for pupil. That's why pedestrian light, that's pedestrian traffic light and that is only traffic light. Understand, Pratushna? Let me know first. Okay. So, come to the question 2. We should not play with blades because blade is a sharp object. We should not play with blades. Okay. Next is question 3. When you are in a bus, you should option A, sit quietly, option B, jump around, option C, talk to the driver. So tell me what will be the correct option? Sorry. Give the answer first. Others, only 3 of you give the answer. Others, so here also first option is correct. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. So when you are in a bus, you should keep quiet or sit quietly. Okay. Yes. Now go to the question number B. Here is tick the activity which we must do or cross which we must not do. See, at the end of the page you can see 4 pictures are given here. So first pictures we can see that some boys are standing in a queue and waiting for the bus. Picture 2 we can see a boy is jumping on the desk. And 3 is a boy is trying to touch the hot iron. And the 4 is a girl is trying to touch this sharp object. So which one is correct or which pictures are correct, you have to tell me. Yes, Somagni, very good. And others, that is so easy. So tell me first. So first pictures will be right. Yes, very good. So first one is we have to keep the right mark. Second one is we have to give it cross because that's a wrong. We must not do. Third one is also cross because we should not touch the hot iron. And fourth one is also cross because that's a sharp object and we should not play with it. Right? Yes, very good. Yes. Now go to the question number C. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. Here some sentence with blanks and 3 words already given here in this yellow box. So with help of those words you have to fill those blanks and complete the sentence. Okay. So here we completed question A and question B. I am repeat the answer again. Question A is the correct answer is we cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Question 2 is we should not play with blades, and question 3 is when you are in a bus you should sit quietly. And here question B, the one is correct and others 3 are wrong. Okay. Now go to the question number C, and I am now erasing here. So you have to write it in full sentence, okay? So question 1 is, we must cross the road. We must cross the road at the dash. So tell me what will be the correct answer. We must cross the road at the dash. Write it fast. Very good, Upasho, Shomagni and others. Give the answer. So, here the three options are firecrackers, zebra crossing and parents, and the answer is zebra crossing. The first answer is zebra crossing. So, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Very good. Now, go to the question number 2. We should not play with dash. We should not play with dash. Tell me the answer first. Fast, I am waiting everyone. That will be, yes, firecrackers. So we should not play with firecrackers. Very good. Very good everyone. Now go to the question number 3, that when we get hurt, we must tell our dash or teachers. Yes, very good Shomagni, that will be parents. So we must get, if we get hurt, when we get hurt, we must tell our parents or teachers. So here we completed question C also. Today we discuss about first aid and the safety rules which we already discussed on your previous online and offline both classes, and exercise question A, B and C which we discussed today. So here the answer of question C, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing, we should not play with firecrackers, and when we get hurt, we must tell our parents or teachers. Okay? Ritosri, spelling of parents is wrong, P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Check your spelling, Ritosri. So here we completed those question answers, and the rest of the part, question D and question E, we will discuss on your next class. Okay everyone, so read this chapter very attentively, remember those rules and apply this everywhere, and practice this exercise part also, and when you submit your homework, then obviously write on your copybook. Okay? Okay everyone, have a nice day, and who are present in the class, please write here P. That's all.